the larger items. And then if we have a returns policy, oh, another thing you're going to want to put is we reserve right to ship from a third party, ensure the fastest possible delivery of your item. And that kind of protects you in case they say, well, why is this coming from Amazon? Alright, so our return policy is going to be whatever you want it to be, but for me, what I usually say is we accept returns is damage during shipments, in which case we will exchange the item for a new undamaged one. Otherwise, no returns accepted. And that kind of protects you in case the buyer gets buyer's remorse and says, well, I don't want this item anymore. You know. Okay, so the payment details is pay through eBay, PayPal. Pay through eBay and PayPal within hours of auction close. Sales tax applies in states that charge it. And we have I actually have a sales tax table set up on eBay. I won't go through how to set that up here, but maybe in a different video. Okay, so there's our template. So this guy right here, you can get rid of, or you can keep it to kind of promote the website. It's all up to you. I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, so here's our eBay auction template. We can customize all of this stuff by going into the code and, you know, putting in our information, but you know, you really don't need all of this stuff, so I'm just going to kind of get rid of it like that. Alright, so we have our template, and this is very important right here. Once you're done customizing it for your very first listing, you're going to want to copy the whole thing, and you are going to want to bring it over to Notepad++, and you're going to want to paste it here, and you're going to want to save it in that same, or just save it on your desktop, okay? So we're just going to put in our eBay listing template, just like that. And something just sold. That's always cool when that comes in. Alright, so there's our template. Our template is all set up. This is the last time you're going to have to go through this whole arduous process of setting up the template. You won't have to do that again. It's all set now. Okay, so we have our template set up. We're going to go down and we're going to put in our buy now price, which just happens to be what we put in here, which was $29.99. Alright, so we're going to put in $29.99. And I don't allow best offer, so I'm going to uncheck that. You can put, you know, however many quantity you want to offer. Or say it's up for sale. I'm just going to do one for this one, but you know, if it's something like chairs or nightstands or whatever else, if I think the buyer might want to buy multiples, then I'm going to put a quantity of 2 or 4 depending on the item. And I'm not going to use the global shipping program, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so we're going to click continue, and I'm not going to actually list this item because I don't want to pay for it to list it, but you'll click list your item. Alright, so what happens after this is, you know what, actually I will list this because I just want to show you real quick, but I'm going to pull it down afterwards. So I'm going to list this item. So what happens next is you're going to let's say you already have, 5 items to list or something. So we'll just grab another quick item real quick. We'll go back and we'll grab another quick item. And we'll just say we want to grab, this coffee grinder and sell it. So we're going to copy our URL here, and we're going to bring it over to. All right, and let's say our 1995. So let's say we want to do the same thing. We'll mark it up the same amount, 1995, and we'll sell it for $29.95 or $29.99, whatever. Okay, and we're just gonna say coffee grinder, make your own coffee beans. I don't know. Terrible title, but we'll just use it here. Okay, so we've got that done. So now we're going to click to sell another item, and we're going to copy and paste and click get started, and we're going to go and click that. Alright, now we are going to go over and we're going to click the condition real quick, and now we're going to go grab our image. Alright, here's our image. We're going to open Nimbus. So we're going to drag. We're going to type in our username here. We're going to save that image. You can see we're already in our eBay listings folder on the desktop. We're going to put in grinder, make your own. So the first, few keywords of your title would go here. We're going to save it. We are going to go back over to PhotoBucket and upload, and we're also going to upload the image here. Alright, upload. It's already uploaded. Okay, so it's saying it's too small, so let's go ahead and do this really quickly. Again, it needs to be a little bit wider is what the problem was. So we'll just, no big deal, we'll just go over here, selected area, and you want to make sure that you're seeing 500 for the X coordinate, and it's tall enough, so okay. Now we need to make sure, actually, hang on a second, we need to make sure that it is at least 500 wide. Alrighty. And now we're going to type in username. And we'll just go ahead and save over this one because that's a bad image anyways, okay? So, that image is fine. Alrighty, so now we are good to go. So we've got our image that we just uploaded. So we're just going to go real quickly over and grab our template. So here's our template, select all, copy, paste. And the only thing we need to change in this HTML every time is our product image. This is right here. So we're just going to go grab our product image. The direct product image is right here. You're going to paste it in. You're going to type in feed grinder. And you can see we've got our coffee grinder image in there. So real quick, we're just going to go through. We are going to grab that title. We are going to paste it here. Paste as plain text. Alright. And then we're going to go back to our Amazon. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste as plain text. Put in our description. Paste as plain text. Everything's done. We're selling it for $29.99. We're selling one of them. We're not using the global shipping program. We're going to go. We're going to continue. And we're going to list it. And then we're just going to repeat the process over and over. So the first few times might take you, 5-10 minutes to do. But once you get into a system, kind of get them into a rhythm, you're going to, see that it only takes you 3 or 4 minutes to just quickly copy and paste over the information. So it's really just as easy as that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll be able to kind of assist you and make sure everything works smoothly. But this is how I list items in 3 or 4 minutes, and it really helped me to list items last night, because I was listing a lot, because we got free 1,000 listings with eBay. So I was able to list 33 items in about 2.5 hours, which is very good. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I hope this video is helpful to you.